Hope you are fine. Today I will start on how to convert existing WordPress website to Bedrock WP-CLI structure. Because Bedrock is a modern WordPress structure that enhances the standard WordPress structure by incorporating the best practices in terms of folder structure, security, and better collaboration, better Git and Git Bitbucket collaboration, easier deployment, better theme management and update management because they use of composer.json. So before this, I will show you the standard WordPress website. As you know, you have you have already have the knowledge about standard WordPress website. These are three folders in the root: WP admin, WP content, WP includes, and our main configuration about database and environment variables in this WP config files. So I have I already set up in my local system. You can see this is a standard WordPress website. Now, how to convert this to Bedrock WP folder website? So now I will start this to click on folder terminal, and you can also visit WP Bedrock standard site. Here you can find better documentation about how to install Bedrock WordPress in your Ubuntu based Linux system. So first of all, your system must have Composer and Node already installed. Now I will run this command in my system, and you can name one that is first I need to go in Ubuntu mode because my system is window based, so that I installed WSL for Ubuntu. Now again I will copy the previous command. You can name it as you want, like Bedrock WP, WP Bedrock. Okay, well, hit the plan. We that there is something wrong in it. So first of all, I will create a folder this in this directory, make directory WP Bedrock, select WP Bedrock, and then DTP config. We I will first set up server to run WP Bedrock. In the current screen, you are seeing how I set up my server. I am using DDB to set up local servers in my system. It will take maybe 2 or 3 minutes to set up our local server. So now it's local server already set up. If we can folder, so then now I will go to DDB SHS. Now here I will run the main command to create Bedrock WP. You can make it Now you are seeing that Bedrock folder is created here. Now I will copy all. Now we will run composer install. You see here is a folder now. Now I will add a banner file in our DDB environment. Banner. You see that a better for it is such a different folder structure in Bedrock. All our WP admin and groups can move to W under WP, and all our public access like plugin themes upload are under public access. You are clearly saying that WP-config.php file now moves in WP that is not public accessible. And in WP config file, they currently, currently there is no DB related information because in Bedrock we will use all our DB information in this .nb file, and it is much secure because mm, first we will rename it .nb, put our DB, our local server. I am putting a local server credential here. You can change it as you require. If you want different DB prefix, then you can uncomment this and write here your name. Now, and one more thing, we have to change this because you know we have to change it. Our current URL will be it will be we have to change it. Again, we start on this. We start our web server. DB is currently set up and starting local server to run this Bedrock WordPress website. wait for 2 or 5 seconds and maybe mm, you need wait for 1 to 2 or 3 minutes. Now, this is the URL my local server generated for me. So I will copy this and post this here. Will paste here. This is important. Now, when I will open this, this is forbidden because we need to again to DTP wave and start this because we need to point out this is 403 because currently at that time Bedrock not find which file to run. So we need to set to our SHS or Apache NG server to English server to route web. Web should be the root folder. Now if you run this, and now again you maybe find this information WP OS in this host say this is constant when using TDV local server. Now again I will now you can install it as a simple way in Bedrock databases web to do paste password email dash mail disgrace because this is running in our local system. Now it is now you see that you Bedrock based WordPress now installed and where to find it if you Bedrock this is our security system. Okay, now we have installed Bedrock based WordPress website WordPress. You can see the Bedrock has completely different code structure. All non-public files moved in WP and public you can access only this folder. Okay, now I will convert our current WordPress website in WP website. Yeah, this is the standard WordPress site and this is the Bedrock based WordPress site. Now I convert this to Bedrock based. So um, first of all, I will copy. Um, First of all, I will copy all these um, the standard website. So basically, we need to copy this. Uh, we have to standard. We will move. We can move all. There is two type. We can either copy if we have any custom theme, we have any custom plugin or custom models, then we will just copy from here and paste it paste it or Bedrock WP and F plugin and themes folder. If we have custom theme or custom plugins that not exist in what the default repository, but you see, but you are saying that our my standard WP website has our standard plugins, so we can install it. How install it via command line or via composer? Yes, so we will add now in the PHP dependency management way. So we will first do SSL login. We address. Then we will first WooCommerce. We have WooCommerce plugin. How to take the WooCommerce plugin? WooCommerce. Composer. This is the way where we will install plugin themes in Bedrock based structure. All is managed in now. We will see the composer file is updated. We'll update accordingly. Now we will install those CO. WordPress CO. Same way. CO plugin. Yes, take your time. Response. Stop. You can now I'm showing backend of this and you easily found is all of our plugin installed via WP Bedrock. So now we can copy WP standard. Now, now the topic is we are converting standard WP WordPress website to Bedrock website. So migrate. We will first take a migrate from old WP website. Step here, name it. We are transferring. We will copy this URL. So that is enough. Follow it is code. Now take a backup of this if you want, and then now import to the site as we have downloaded here. CV skills. Yes, the database in the previous DB password was this. They now logged it. These are the plugin available in installed on this previous MTP. So you can this here the standard plugin you can install it. The gate post, install it. Um, install it. Multiple plugins at same time. Want to proceed. हाँ कागज
सो जाओ पकड़ के अपना चौभर।
now you are seeing that all of our plugins installed. हंस क्या रहे यार all of our standard WordPress website plugins are installed in this current Bedrock website. So and now you will see our composer.json file is updated. This structure is a very powerful because when we push it in our Git or Bitbucket repo, then only composer.json and extended website. Let me see. Let's see how to now push it. How I open my GitHub. Bedrock has its own because Bedrock is useful in terms of when we use it, then we can easily put this new repo with standard files. Bedrock can make it public, can make it private repo. And we already have to say anti. Now the village is remote with it. Set up stream. I think remote. I think the origin is correct. wp.com to URL. When you will go to report, you will see only these different. There is no there is no theme. Keep division file, but and in this file there is no DB related information, and your DB secure for external world. And here we can when there are multiple developers will work, then they can work on files only main plugin and theme folders. So now I'm saying how to use this. How other user will install it easily without taking full site backups. Without taking full site backup, they only need to backup database and port here. There is no need to files backup or anything. Maybe this is the clone of this. Now we will take the clone of this as usual, copy this and git clone. Now, so because our environment is DDB, so currently we have not set up our DDB server in this folder. So we will first set up this DDB config. You see, web, web. These are these steps are why I am doing because of my DDB requirement to set up to run WordPress and any PHP website in my local system. if you using XAMPP only, you XAMPP or web like server, then you don't need to run this, uh, such as simply we learn to put the install. Oh, so mm, we clone the structure website, and now we will clone the structure website. Now I will showing how to other developer can set up this in their local. So I will just say clone this, clone, and CD. One where there is something wrong with reset. These steps are not required in your system if you are using XAMPP or Bedrock web like servers. Because I am using DDB, so this is required in my system to always run DDB command to set up PHP and WordPress to run in my system. So it will take 2 to 3 minutes. Now it is ready. Now we'll DDB add on get DDB get miner. Now we will research. Now I have cloned this. Now how to stop this way because GitHub not a plugin or themes folders, standard folders, and not all WP admin WPS files. So where will composer install? We say it's auto install. Install now, and we will create one file dot .env. Copy the from here. Just change this to this. and we'll open this. So now then you can go to this site and just you need to upload DB backups in it. We'll put the URL and export this again. It is code script. So for the, we just need to run this now because I have uploaded old website database backup in it. Yes. Now it is you see that it is updating. We have to test. We are not seeing that our website is set up now. Can we finish to live, can live it to the site. Now see that it is working now. So this is the way how we will convert our standard WP site to Bedrock based WP structure, and it is you will do a sim that is better to managing Git, and other developers need only to copy the database, and they don't need to copy database. They need to they they don't need to copy our file structure. The will include WP admin and our plugins and themes. If there are custom plugin and theme, then you need to copy this. And if there are custom plugin and theme, then you just need to change your git ignore file to load it in GitHub. Remove remove first load and exclusion from this file. So this can include in GitHub repo. Then we will just clone and use other developer can set up is very easily. Thank you for watching my video and please subscribe if it is useful. Bye bye.